Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to unsync contacts on TikTok. The steps are easy and simple. So the first thing you have to do is to open your TikTok app on your mobile device. The next is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy. Click on sync contact and Facebook friend. So right here, if you want to turn off the toggle, you just have to click on the toggle close to sync contact. So if I turn this off, my contact will not periodically sync to help me find people that are on my contact again. And if you want to remove previous sync contact, all you have to do is to click on the remove option here and confirm your decision. So if you click on this remove option here, your contact on your device will not be seen on your TikTok any longer. So guys, that is it on how to unsync contacts on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.